Guys, today we're stepping up into the big leagues. We're going pro in this video. But today, I'm making my birthday cake. I'm a little bit nervous, okay, but I shall prevail. If you're wondering why the lighting's a little bit weird, it's because it is 8:30 in the morning. Oh, by the way, it's my birthday, that's why I'm making my own birthday cake. No shit. Okay, we gotta get started, baby. Oh my god. Oh, wait, let me just map out this cake that I'm doing today. So I'm gonna be doing a vanilla and chocolate marble cake with vanilla and chocolate frosting, and on the top I'm gonna make a whole bunch of chocolate strawberries. Let's get started. Woo! So, how have you guys been? I know I haven't uploaded in a little bit, but I don't have an excuse. You know, today, this whole week really, I've been a little bit stressed. You know, tomorrow's my birthday. Okay, I'm filming this on the 19th. And today, I have to make my birthday cake. I'm going to this picnic thing that I organized with a few of my friends. And then I'm having them come back here to spend the night. And it's just so stressful, you know. I mean, my life is so hard. If you haven't noticed, it is so incredibly hard. But as I always do, I persevere and I get through it. And even though it is extremely difficult and challenging, I always push myself. I made these brownies yesterday too for the picnic. Oh, I'm just baking up a storm, you know what I mean? Cheers. Guys, I'm turning 17 tomorrow. How did that even happen? I don't understand. And 16, you know, it actually was a really good year. I'm happy with this year, you know. I mean, actually, you know, most of my 16 has been in 2020, and we all know how that's going. So, oh shit. Why do you do that? I got that birthday swag. I used to be obsessed with Cake Boss. Buddy Velastro was like my hero. Kind of still is, because how do you eat that much cake and be Italian and eat that much Italian food and still be alive? I don't know. He's not human. Gotta get the air into the cake. Air into the cake by whisking the absolute shit out of it. You have to do that, otherwise your cake is gonna be gross. Well, not gross, but just very dense. If I'm going to be the new Rachel Ray.
Oh, Shane, did you see her husband? And let's show you, yeah?
Every time I make a cake, I always eyeball all of the ingredients. Actually, not all of the ingredients, but most of the ingredients, because I trust myself. I trust my intuition.
Trash.
I don't think my family does, but I do, and that's all that matters, okay? They're not making this cake, are they? No, I am. So, shut up! We need to split this batter into two, right? So we can have one vanilla and one chocolate. So now that we've halved the batter, we have to make this one chocolate. So, cocoa powder, right? I'm also going to add a bit of instant coffee to anything that's chocolate to make it like taste better. That's kind of how I'm interpreting that technique. Okay, and you just put the instant coffee in, and then you just mix everything together. Now, we must assemble.
Avengers! Assemble. Danny!
This is what the first one looks like before it went in the oven. So you basically just layer the batter, like vanilla, chocolate, vanilla, chocolate. I have to do this one now. And then I put them in the oven. But it doesn't stop there, guys. We have a long way to go. I'm going to taste the product. I'm going to say that to my video. Hello, guys. This is Catty. He's our neighborhood cat. He's very cute. Got the cakes. Now we put them in the oven. Alright, the cakes are in the oven. But we don't stop there, people. It keeps going. We're gonna do the chocolate covered strawberries, okay? First of all, we need to melt this chocolate, right? I have 2 slabs of dark chocolate because I feel like that's better for chocolate strawberries because it isn't as sweet, you know what I mean? They're gonna be alright. Very Hey, hey, see me, I got you. Oh my word, that looks so good. Huh, look at that. I don't know, guys. It's just exciting. I'm gonna stop now. No, I'm not. Who am I kidding? I'm not stopping now. I'm not stopping ever. It's happening, it's happening. I've wanted to make chocolate strawberries like for my entire life, and it just never happened, and now I'm living my dream. I need a bit of music, okay? And I found a shit ton of new music, and I hope you'll like it. You will like it. If you don't like it, you can just exit this video. Please don't. I really want you to see the end product of this cake. Please.
She just moved to LA. Go to UCLA. Go to UCLA. She just moved to LA.
I mean, you can tell her. That sounds of the same. No, not the American team. Sounds of the same.
Everything that I love is bad for me and it sucks. You're so good at making me feel bad, at making me feel terrible about myself.
Shit. Oh shit. I was so preoccupied that all of a sudden I could smell a burning, and I was like, I didn't take the cake out. The cake might be a little bit overdone, but it's not burnt, and I can fix it. I literally almost had a heart attack. I need to concentrate. Getting really up close and personal here. It's literally been an hour. I don't even know what to say, dude. I had to cut the tops and the sides off of both cakes because they were crispy, to say the least. So now I'm gonna ice the cake. I already made the frosting off camera because I needed to take a little bit of a break from filming and actually focus on what I was doing, considering I almost messed up my entire cake. I have chocolate icing here for the middle, and then vanilla icing for the top. And if I have enough, I'm gonna also do it around the cake. So I'm gonna put on some music again because you know what? We need it. We need the tunes, dude. I'm a bit stressed out. This is the real deal right here. Troy. Listen.
I gotta say what's on my mind. I've got to move on and be who I am. I just don't belong here.
Wanna say hello, Dad? Just a little wave. That's all you get, folks. I just iced the cake as best as I can. Honestly, kind of proud of myself. I've never done a cake like this before. But now, we need to put the strawberries on for the finishing touch. And I don't really know how I want to do it. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple on the top and then put them in the front as well. Wait, you know what? I'm going to put a little one in the middle. No, that looks stupid. Now I'm looking at it, kind of looks like a wedding cake. I'm not complaining though, it's very pretty, so. Can you even see what I'm doing right now? Sorry, this kitchen is a complete mess, but I'm just gonna put the strawberries, I don't know, around. Oh my gosh, whoa. I don't know what I'm doing, bro. You know what, I think it actually looks good the way it is. Wait, now I can taste these on camera now, because I can't taste the cake, because it's not for today. But you'll see that in my vlog, if you watch my vlog. Please watch my vlog that I'm gonna make today, alright. Let's taste one of these strawberries. I haven't really tasted one yet, so. Oh! Oh, that is good, my dude. I'm so proud. Guys, look at that. I'm so proud, dude. Oh, I did that. Buddy Blasher has nothing on that. That was 4 hours of my life. doing this cake. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're proud of me because I'm proud of me. That is awesome. I'm so excited about it. So I'll see you in my vlog because I'm vlogging today and tomorrow. So stay tuned for that, bitches. Peace out. Bye.